Humble pranams at Bhagwan's Divine Lotus Feet. Respected elders, present physically and also virtually, dear colleagues and dear student brothers. Sai Ram to one and all. Thank you, brother Dr. Muthukumar, for giving us a very nice overview of the work which the Department of Physics had undertaken. Just last year, our Ashwath Narayan had finished this work, which brought a good credit to the Department of Biosciences and also Physics. Now, I was asked to give few concluding remarks. I'll make it really few. We have successfully completed this two-day international webinar on physics for healthcare. I'm sure that all the faculty members and also the students have immensely gained from the rich experience of varied speakers, very, very eminent professors, industrialists, doctors. All of them have shared their rich experience, and it was really wonderful to be present and then learn these simple physics principles, how they are applied in the real life situations and specifically in the healthcare industry. I'm reminded about the vision which our revered founder chancellor had for all the students and the faculty of this great institution. He said, this university should produce students of good character, but with sound academic background. And that can happen only when we have a vibrant academic atmosphere. And that comes through a sound curriculum, seminars, webinars, and interaction with the industry personnel and also the healthcare personnel. Vidya and Vaidya, the education and the healthcare, are two very, very dear projects of Bhagwan. The Vidya project has taken the shape of university and also the number of schools run by the Central Trust and Vidya Vahini and so many Vidya Jyoti scheme and so on. The Vaidya aspect of Bhagwan is translated into the super specialty hospitals, mobile hospital, general hospitals, and all the medical care which is given by the Sai centers all over the world. So these are two very dear projects of Bhagwan, the revered founder chancellor. And then this particular webinar beautifully combines this Vidya and Vaidya in the form of healthcare, physics for the healthcare. No, that's a fantastic conception, and it all started with, stage setting by the HOD and the associate head for this webinar, and the message delivered by the Vice Chancellor, Dr. C.B. Sanjeevi, and also the chief guest, Dr. Renu Swarup, the secretary to the Department of Biotechnology, was very clear. He said, there's so much of physics which you can apply in the healthcare industry. We just only need to open our eyes and innovate and find new technologies. We are happy that in spite of the pandemic which we are going through, our academic activity did not stop. In fact, thanks to, I would say, COVID, it has enhanced it, augmented it, because the digitalization has swept the country. Everyone now is utilizing or reaping the benefits of the digitalization technology, the digitalization which has happened in our country. This two-day webinar, we've learned so many things, and definitely it has increased our amazement for the concepts in physics. Whenever we learn a new concept, we should now think of, where it is applied and how it can be applied, or how it can be implemented in our, for our society. We have also seen the research work, the biomedical research work which is going on in our own department across the campuses in this particular area, because the department has identified this as to be thrust area a few years back, and we are slowly but steadily moving forward. And these 4 presentations, excellent presentations, were made this morning and this evening are a testimony for that. I have picked up a lot of jargon and a lot of important concepts in physics, and also new ideas from this webinar. I'll just only mention, this will summarize all the talks which were given by various speakers here, very eminent speakers. Things like affordable healthcare, non-invasive technologies, spectroscopy and its applications, computational work, radiological physics, accelerated physics, biocompatible ceramic materials, multi-photon spectroscopy, AI, artificial intelligence, ML, machine learning, deep learning, DL, Raman spectroscopy, photonics, diffuse optics, adaptive optics, neonatal care, CT, MRI, SPECT, PET, engineering physics, OCT, and so many of them we are exposed to. In fact, the basic principles of all these things and more are actually there in our curriculum. So whenever we come across these things, pay attention to grasp them and always try to see where they can be applied. I hope that efforts made by the Department of Physics should not terminate at this point. Rather, it should only enhance our understanding, our zeal to learn new concepts in physics and applications of these concepts in our daily life. So at the end, I would like to say, let us celebrate. Celebrate not because the webinar is ending, nor because it is Sunday tomorrow, but because we are students of physics. We should be happy that we are students of physics, and even teachers. Students are students only for some time, but teachers are eternal students for their life of physics. So let us celebrate because we are students of physics, and physics has so many applications in the healthcare industry, and we have seen just a sample of that. So let us resolve at the end of this webinar to study physics with greater enthusiasm, with greater zeal, and whenever we learn a new concept, let us ask, let us think where it can be applied and where it can be implemented so that the society around us gets the benefit of our knowledge. So, in conclusion, I thank Bhagwan for setting this beautiful ecosystem, as Brother Muthu put it, for us to learn these beautiful concepts, how the physics can be applied to one domain. Only we've just taken only healthcare domain, but it can be applied for so many places. But in this itself, we have seen that so much can be done, and we thank Bhagwan for bringing or making this webinar a successful one, opening our eyes and inspiring all of us to learn physics with greater vigor. Thank you very much. Now I would invite Dr. Vijay Sai from our department, faculty member from our department, to formally propose the vote of thanks. Sairam.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shantihi. The inner meaning of this Shanti mantra is, let us grow together in harmony, let us move about in friendliness, let us spread together the light that we have gained from our studies, let us live in harmony without discord, let us promote in harmony the use of our talents and skills. This is the profound inner meaning of the Vedic hymn. Thank you so much, Swami, for guiding us throughout this 2-day international webinar. The organization of this event is solely due to your immense blessings and your guidance at every moment. Swami, please accept our collective gratitude for making this program successful and beneficial to all. We sincerely believe that only with your benevolent love, grace, and blessings we can achieve anything either individually or collectively. It is said that the essence of all beautiful art is gratitude. The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by our hearts. Thank you is one such prayer among them. Life's more persistent and urgent question is, what are we doing for others, or what is our contribution to the society that which we are part of, as said by Martin Luther King. Maybe he must have probably got this thought from our Vedic and Puranic dictum, Paropakardam idam shariram. The theme of this webinar, Physics for Healthcare, rightly fits into Science for Society. This webinar featured a series of talks by top academicians, researchers, entrepreneurs, and innovators from across the globe on the application of physics to diagnostic and therapeutic aspects of healthcare. On behalf of the Department of Physics, Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, I consider it as a great privilege to propose vote of thanks to all those who have directly and indirectly contributed to this two-day webinar on physics for healthcare. All of us really felt that it was really a memorable, successful, and useful event. At the outset, we would like to express sincere thanks to our respected Chancellor Sri Chakravarti Garu and also the members of Central Trust for their encouragement in conducting this webinar. I thank our revered Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Sri B. Sanjeevi, who had very actively and enthusiastically motivated us and has given valuable inputs for this webinar. Sir, a special mention about your introductory remarks, which set the right momentum for the webinar. Thank you so much, sir. I also would like to mention a deep sense of gratitude to Professor B. Sai Girdhar, Registrar, Sri Sanjay Sahani, Controller of Examinations, and Dr. G. Raghavendra Raju, Campus Director, for their kind support and encouragement. Thank you, Dr. Renu Swarup, Secretary, Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, for readily consenting to be the chief guest for this webinar and for your precious time in delivering a very pertinent inaugural address. Our sincere thanks to all the distinguished speakers and resource persons from India and abroad who had readily accepted our invitation and given very interesting and thought-provoking talks. I would like to name them. I hope I will not leave anyone. To start with, we had Professor Dr. Khan Kiyu from the University of Arizona, US. Professor Dr. Fanindra Yelavarthi, one of our illustrious alumni from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Dr. C. Murali Krishna from Tata Memorial Center, Mumbai. Professor Dr. Antonio Pifferi from Politecnico di Milano, Italy. Dr. Vyas, again, one of our illustrious alumni from the Stanford University School of Medicine, US. Shri Shashi Kumar, MD, Phoenix Medical Systems. Dr. Shuvan Prashant Turaga from Atomic Systems Private Limited, Singapore. Dr. Anshuman Jyotidas, Labby Inc. from US. These two were also alumni from our SSIHL. Dr. Shashwati Sen from Baba Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. Professor Dr. Hakan Enquist from Uppsala University, Sweden. Dr. Chaitanya from University of Maryland School of Medicine, US. And to the panel discussion members, to the distinguished panel discussion members, Dr. Anand Krishnan from AMTZ, Dr. Sanatana from Tyndall National Institute, Ireland, Dr. Shyam Narayan from DBT BRAC, Dr. Vandana Sharma, faculty from IIT Hyderabad, and Sri Satyadeep from Big Tech Bangalore, and also thanks to our department presentations by Sri Dani, Sri Abhishek, Dr. Murali Ravi, and Dr. Muthukumar. All the talks were really good and were pitched at a level which our students could understand and appreciate. Thank you all the panel discussion members for sparing your valuable time and sharing your knowledge on the very relevant topic, the changing landscape of healthcare technology. Special thanks to Mr. Raghuram for all the support at this Multimedia Center. To all the faculty and research scholars who had worked tirelessly to make this webinar a successful and useful event, a big thank you. Thank you all the students from the three campuses, Prashant Nilayam, Brindavan and Anantapur, and all the alumni who had actively participated in the webinar through YouTube, Facebook and other social media portals. Once again, I thank you all, Sai Ram. Let us close the webinar event with Mangalarti to Swami. Sai Ram.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रितकल्पलतिका आश्रितकल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्राशयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी वो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंदुको मंगल आरती अंदुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा ओम शांति शांति शांतिः समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।